Whoa. This is ridiculously strong. What's up guys? My name is Sean. Welcome to another iPhone 12 unboxing case. Today we're focusing on non-clear cases from 4 different companies: Evotech, Encased, Subcase, and Clayco. I have my iPhone 12 Pro Max that just came in today, and we're gonna go ahead and check these out and see how the fit and finishes. If this is the first time you're stopping by and you enjoy tech content like this, you will want to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification so you won't miss my future videos. By the way, before we get into the unboxing, I just wanted to let you know this video is not sponsored. So if you do want to support me and my channel, give this video a like, please, before you forget. And if you're interested in these cases or anything else, use the affiliated links down in the description below. All right, so I got my iPhone, I got the cases, I have the MagSafe that we're gonna check and test, make sure through these cases you can still charge your phone. So let's go ahead and get started with Clayco. So for the 6.7 model, they send me 3 different ones. These are, looks like they're 2 different styles in 2 different colors. Let's start with the Forza in color black. So this has a frosted back and it has a rubber black bumper around the perimeter, and in the front it looks like it also has shield as well, so you get full all the way around protection. This is a 2-part construction. This is the frosted back. So this is how the phone looks. So through the frosted back, I can see that the phone's still blue. Good amount of protection around the camera. And with this, you get the most protection from the corners, sides, and the front. Next is the, looks like Argus model. I have them in black and purple. This is black. This is the same model in purple. Does this open? So you have a credit card holder in the back. You just slide it down, open like this. I'm so sorry, I forgot to check the charging. So the magnet gets a good grip and it is charging. Now this one is a little bit thicker, so it will be interesting to see if the MagSafe would be able to charge this through this case. You get a good amount of protection from the back, obviously, because it's fairly thick since there is room for the credit cards. You get a good amount of camera protection because it's so raised in the back. The buttons are clicky. Now let's test the charger. So the magnet is not working and it is not charging through this. So, which I suspected it because how thick it is. So if you get this one, you have the convenience of having mini wallet down here, but you're not going to be able to wireless charge it. Let's take a look at Subcase. Ooh, this is interesting. So what do we have here? This is kind of like a keychain, I guess. And then the case itself. Is this the wrong size? And this is for the 6.1. I'm sorry, I won't be able to test this. Yeah, it looks like this one is also a 6.1. So I won't be able to try this as well, but at least let me show this to you guys. Okay. So this also is a 2-piece construction. So you have a glass back and you have this kind of like aluminum look finish red bumper around the side. These are from Encased, designed in the USA. I think this is black. This is black. This is white. Oh no, this is clear. Hello. Another black. Different finish. So this is a thin matte finish. Flexible shell. You have this small diamond pattern in the back, but it's very soft to touch. You have the logo down here, Encased. Very comfortable, not bad. Minimalist design. Now let's check the charger. Yep, get a good magnet grip and it charges. Then the clear case. This is not as flexible. Nice, very simple design. The camera protection seems to be a little bit light, but on the other hand, you have these 4 legs on the 4 corners. So when you set this on the table, it's going to rest on those 4 legs and the cameras are not touching the table. You have about 1 millimeter lip around. With the exception of the corners, you have the same raised legs on this side as well. So when you put your phone down, you get a good amount of protection. So far, I really like this clear case from Encase. And the final case they have, so this is a little bit of a beefier case compared to the first one. So this is a thin armor. This is the Rebel series. Nice. So if you want something a little bit more rugged and still a very basic modern design, this could be the case. It looks a little bit glossier than this one. So you guys can see it hopefully side by side. So this was the thin armor and this is their heavier duty. Let's check the charger. Get a grip. So it is charging. It detects the magnet, but because this is a little bit thicker, the magnet doesn't actually hold. That's a compromise. You want something thicker with more protection. You're gonna lose the ability to be able to line up nicely using the magnet. All right, and last cases by Evotech. Looks like they have also a free car mount as well. Open here. Whoa, this is ridiculously strong. Oh my God, this is a very strong magnet. So this is the car vents mount. So it goes on really easily. You have a basic bumper around the case. It has this mesh finish in the back. Yeah, so it charges. But one thing you need to keep in mind is this basically can stick to any part of this because there are magnets in this whole middle section right here. So therefore, this by default is not going to go ahead line up perfectly with the magnets inside your iPhone 12 or 12 Pro Max. So that is the downside of it. But on the other hand, it's a minimalist case and you have a super, super, super strong car vent magnet. Look at this. So this one is just like this one, just a different pattern. Actually, same pattern, different color. This is in gray. This is in black. This looks like just like the first 2 we looked at, except it's in red. And this is the last one. So this is an ultra slim design, advanced composite material, same system, car mount, magnets inside, but looks like this may be a thinner design. Ooh, this looks really nice. So it had this very subtle kind of like carbon fiber pattern. I really hope the camera can show this. This is really nice. I like this one. This looks really good. It feels good. It's thin. I actually don't mind using this. Moment of truth. Same thing. The magnets are all over. But actually, you know what? So if you move this a little bit, you get a really nice hold and tug right dead center in the middle of the phone, which is where the iPhone's magnet and Qi charger is. You still take advantage of this ridiculously strong magnet for the car. Final conclusion, I know looking at cases, it's always subjective, but if I were to kind of like force rank some of the ones I don't mind using personally myself, like I said, I'm a big fan of clear cases. So the clear case we had from Encased, I actually like this clear case. It's very simple. You have decent protection all the way around. And the fact that you have legs for these corners in the front and back, I think that's a nice touch. And looking at non-clear cases, there were 2 I liked. I liked this one from Evotech, the one with the carbon fiber finish, because one, it's slim. It looks good. It is different. And you get this free car mount. And then this one, this other black one from Encased, I think that looked really good. It is slim. It has kind of like a matte finish to it. So these would be my top 3 choices. So this was it, guys. I know when you have your brand new iPhone 12 Pro Max, you do want to get the best case you can get for it. One, to have the protection, but also you want to make sure you look good and stylish. So I'm trying to give you as much selection as possible, because I know just looking at the pictures online, it's not always going to do it justice. So hopefully you guys found this video useful. If you did, give this video a like and comment down below. Let me know if you've had a chance to pick up your iPhone 12 or 12 Pro Max or even 12 mini, and what is the case that you've already got or you're thinking about getting for your phone. Thanks for watching, as always, and I'll see you in the next one.